Alright, here we have a setup what you see in question 2. A test tube filled with mercury to about 6.5 cm, and it is inverted into a reservoir of mercury in the cup, in the glass. And of course inside the test tube there you have air. Otherwise, if it is a torricellian vacuum, you will have to go up 76 cm, and we don't have a vacuum chamber that is 76 cm tall. And right now you notice I can take up the vacuum chamber like that. I can open it up right now. I can open the cover up so easily because there is air pressure inside helping me to push the base and the cover apart. So now we are going to connect it to a vacuum pump and let the vacuum pump work. Okay, let it work and evacuate the air, and let's see what happens to the level of mercury inside. Alright, now we switch on the vacuum pump and see that. Can you see? It's slowly going down. Alright, let's stop it. It's slightly tilted over, it's okay. But let's exhaust it a little bit. In fact, it can go below, the level can go below the level of the mercury in the reservoir. Let's try that. So now it has gone below, is it not? Can you see it has gone below? Slightly, can't see that so well. Can't see that so well. Okay. Let's see going below. Let's see going below. Can you see it's gone below? Why it's almost the same height, but it actually can go below because if the outside pressure is lower than the pressure of the expanded air inside the test tube, so that can push that below the level of the reservoir. Let's try that again. Sure, you will go below. Can you see it's gone below? Slightly. It's gone below slightly. Alright. Now, because there is a partial vacuum inside here, we can actually lift this one up. And the whole thing should hold. The whole thing should hold like that. Okay. And what happens if I let the air in? So if I let the air in, and you find that the level of mercury in the test tube will come back. Can you hear the air going back in? It should go back to the same level, but if none of the air came out from the test tube, it should go back to the same level. But if some of the air came out from the test tube, just now you saw it tilted over, right? If some of the air comes out from the test tube, then this one will not be the same amount. Now if it's tilted like that, you cannot measure along the test tube. You must measure the vertical height. Is that clear? That is very important. You tilt back, then you measure. You tilt back. So I can lift up this cover easily now. And you tilt back and then you measure. It should be about the same height of 6.5 cm. It should be of the same height. Let's try and see whether it's of the same height. cm. Yeah, it's no. In fact, it's more. Oh yeah, it's more because some of the air came out, so the pressure is less. So it's actually more. Wow. Okay, man. Thank you.